Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Code Family. This is Suashish and this is the third part of our Add to Cart project. And as you can see, we have a playlist of Add to Cart project with React, Redux, Material UI and Bootstrap. And this is the third part of our project. So before going to this video, you must have seen this part 1 and part 2. So let's get into our project. Let's see how much we have done in our previous videos. We have made the basic layout for our products page, and now in this video we are going to create, like, whenever we click on this add to cart button, the information of this particular product will show inside this pop-up menu. And this thing we're gonna do with React Redux. So let's go to our VS Code, and here inside the source folder we have to set up our Redux. So Redux consists of reducers, actions and a store. So first of all we just need to create actions. So right here, action, make a folder as actions, and inside that we have to list all our action. So action.js, inside that we have to make a action and we have to define its type and payload also. So right here, const, and then what can be the action name? That can be add. We're going to add a particular product into our cart, so the action name can be add and is equal to, and inside this it will receive a array of the information. So it can be of product, and after that it will return an object with a type called add to cart, and then it will return a payload which is product. I am obviously going to explain these things actually how this will work, and for now you have to write like this, and after that we just need to export this action. So export default and then add. So now our add action is completed. Now we have to make the reducers. So once again, inside the source we have to create a reducer folder, and inside that we have to create all our reducers. So first reducer will be our update cart.js, and inside that, and inside our update cart reducer we just need to define the initial state for it. So here, const initial state is equal to, and inside that we have to just define our cart as, first of all it is a empty array, and after that we just need to define our reducer. So const update cart is equal to, and now it will receive a state and action. So state will be the initial state and then action, and down below we have to define here the switch case structure. So switch, and inside that we have to receive the action dot type. So the first case will be add to cart, and if this case will match we have to return the existing state first, and after that, and Okay, I have just missed the return keyword. So return, and we have to first send the existing state, and inside the cart what we need to change is we just need to keep the previous data, so state dot cart, and then whatever we receive in the action dot payload. So action dot payload, and at last we have to define the default case. So return the state, and now we just need to export this update card reducer, and now we have to combine these reducers in one file. So inside the reducer we have to create a file as main.js, inside which we're gonna combine all the reducers. So first of all we just need to import here combine reducer, and after that we have to import our reducer, which is update cart, and inside that we have to make our root reducer, inside which we are gonna combine all the reducers. So you can write it here as const root reducer is equal to combine reducers, and inside that our reducer name is update cart. So now we just need to export it. So right here export default root reducer. So our reducer is done, and now we just need to create our Redux store. So inside the source we just need to create a store, so store.js. so let's import create store from Redux, and after that we just need to import our store. So store not store the root reducer, and after that we just need to create our store. So right here const store equal to create store, and after that we have to pass here the root reducer, and now we just need to export this store so that we can use outside it. So export default, and after that you just need to go to the index.js file, and here you can import that store. So import store, not like that, store, and after that we just need to import here provider. So what we're gonna do is we are going to wrap this app component inside the provider, and then the store will be passed as a prof inside this provider, so that the child component of app can use our Redux store. So let's wrap it with provider. So provider, and after that we just need to pass this store as a prop. Oh, we just need to have this provider as a capital letter, and now all the functionality of this store can be accessible inside this app component. So now what we need to do is, let's go to product.jsx. So now inside the product, let's access the state of our store. So for this we just need to import the use selector and use dispatch hook from React. Okay, dispatch hook from React Redux. And now what we need to do is, let's access the state through use selector. So right here const cart is equal to use selector, and inside that the state will be state dot the reducer name. So reducer name is update cart, and now let's console this cart so that we can know this is working or not. Console.log cart. So let's go to our browser and go to console, and here you can see we have a cart and it has no elements inside it. So now what we have to do is, whenever we click on this add to cart, the information of this particular product will store inside a state, and then we have to send this state to this cart. So let's do it. Okay, so where is this button? So inside that we have to perform an on click. So on click and then a callback function, and here we have to call a function which we have not defined yet. So that function name is send, and inside that we have to pass this list. So list, and let's define this send function here. So const send, and it will receive the list, and after that, so we have to dispatch here. So before that we have to create the dispatch function. So down below let's create it. So const dispatch equal to use dispatch, and after that inside this send function let's call the dispatch function, and inside that, oh, we have not imported the action. Let's import the action first. So import, the action name is, what is the action name? Okay, add. So go to product and let's try to import this action, and inside this send function and inside this dispatch we just need to call this add action, and inside we have to pass this list. And now let's see it is working or not. Go to console and refresh the page. Okay, first remove this mobile version, and here you can see here we have an empty array, and at the moment I click on this add to cart, in our cart we have one array, one products array, which is id1, and if I click on this second product, now in our cart array we have two products. So In this way we can get the information of a particular product. So now what we have to do is, so our Redux cart can store the particular products information. So now here we have to, so now in this cart icon we have to show how many products has added. So we just need to go to the Material UI website and here click on getting started and then components, and then click on the batch. So where it is, yeah, got it. So now okay, it is I want to copy this batch code. So here I just need to copy this batch import statement, and now so just go to the header.jsx and inside that just paste it, and after that we have to copy this batch, and then where is our shopping cart, so here paste it, and the ending tag will place after this shopping cart icon. So now let's see how it is looking. Okay, the cart will move to the left. So one thing here you can do is just cut this style.right and make this style for the batch. And now let's see. Okay, it is looking fine. And now we have to make this batch number as the number of products that are added to our cart. So just go to inspect and then console, and here we don't have any products inside our cart, so our this batch will show here nothing, and after we add something to this cart, then it will show according to this cart. So how we gonna do that? So we just need to go to the our header.js, and here we have to use selector. So import here use selector, and after that here write here const cart equal to use selector, and inside that state implies state dot our reducer name, which is update cart. And now in this cart we are receiving our stores cart, and here we can write where it gone. Okay, inside the batch content we can write here as cart dot length, and now let's see it is working or not. If I close it, and you can see we don't have any products added to our cart, and at the moment I click on this add cart, nothing is happening. Okay, so go to inspect and you can check here. We have 6 carts and then 7 carts, but nothing is showing here. I think we have done some mistake. So one thing we have to do is we have to pull this cart from the update cart reducer, and now I think it will work fine. So let's try again. Close it, and okay, you can see the cart number is showing. So let's try and again. whenever I click in this add to cart, one item will be added, and then second cart, third cart. So you can see all the number of products are showing here. Now what we have to do here is, at the moment I click on this icon, you can see your cart is empty. Instead of this, we have to show here all the products list, whatever added to our cart. So let's design that page also. So for that, inside our header part, where is our your cart is empty. So one thing here you can do is, we have to toggle if, okay, here we have to write like if cart dot length is equal to 0, then we have to show this div, and if not, then we have to show this div. And let's try again, and here you can write, for testing purpose, user cart. Let's try again, refresh it, and at this moment we don't have any products that are added to our cart. So click this icon, you can see it is showing your cart is empty, and at that moment I click on any of a product, the product is added to our cart, and now it is showing user cart. So this is all for today, guys. In our next video we are going to design this user cart. So whenever a user click on this add to cart, the particular information will shown in this user cart. So this is all for today. We will gonna meet in our next video. Till then, keep coding and have a great day.